Alright, y'all, let's do a tutorial on Thank You Next with Ariana Grande. So, this one is fun and it will kill your legs and it will absolutely wear you out cardio-wise, okay? You get a little bit of break in between, but not much. Everything is in fours, so it makes my OCD very happy, okay? So, you start out and your arms are going to go up and hips for four. So, up, hips down. 4, 3, 2, do it again. 4 times arms up and hips. Da-da, 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 do it again. Up. The lower you get, the better it works, okay? Up, down. All right, booty out, single, single, double. Single, double, 2 times. Single, double. Now kick, drop down, run it out, switch it. Single, double, single, double. Now kick, down, run it out. Then from there you're going to punch down, Pac-Man knee in. Single, single, double. Left arm, punch. So you're punching down, arms here, Pac-Man, knee in. Then you'll go single, single, double, switch it. Punch, Pac-Man knee in. Single, double, punch, Pac-Man knee in. Single, double, okay? So, 4 times for everything. 4 times, and after that you'll start again. So here, down in your hips. Again, this is the verses. Down in your hips. After the 4th time, booty out, single, single, double. Booty, double. Single, kick it side, and down, run it down. Switch side. Single, double, kick it out, drop it down, run, down, punch, Pac-Man knee in, single, double, switch it, punch, Pac-Man knee in, single, double, switch it up, punch, Pac-Man knee in, single, 1 more, punch, Pac-Man knee in, single. This round you get a break, doubles, roll. 4 times we do double rolls. You can do anything you want here, but we do double rolls, okay? 4 times, and then you'll go right back into your legs. Down, do it again. Up. 4 times you do that. After that, back to single, single, double. Okay, then you're gonna kick, down, run, switch sides. Single, double, kick, drop down, run. Then you're gonna have punch, Pac-Man knee in. 4 times you do this. Punch, Pac-Man knee in. Whichever arm is moving out, that's the knee going in. Okay? And then you go opposite hips. Okay? Whichever knee is going in, that's the side you're going to. Okay? 4 times. Go right back into this. And then we're down in our legs, okay? And then after that, you're just gonna roll to the end and roll to the end. So make sure you remind people, get down in your legs. You wanna feel it harder. Make sure you break down the Pac-Man because that can be intimidating, okay? Whichever side is punching, knees going in, and then you're pushing your hip that direction, okay? Any questions, always refer back to YouTube. Make sure you go over the dance with the music so you know what's happening and what's coming. And when in doubt, make up your own thing because it is your class, it is your dance. Have a good time with it, y'all. Thank you.